Student, in the previous class, you calculated a Fourier expansion over the two interval, that is minus pi to pi and and the interval 0 to 2 pi. Now we will discuss what is the formula of Fourier expansion over the interval minus L to L. And here period we can calculate, that is L minus of minus L, then it will be a 2L. Therefore, period is 2L here, and Fourier expansion formula is f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos n pi by L x plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity b n sin n pi by L x. This is a Fourier formula, expansion formula, and the coefficients are a naught equal to 1 upon L integration minus L to L f of x, a n equal to 1 upon L integration minus L to L f of x cos n pi by L x dx for n equal to 1, 2, 3, so on. And third coefficient bn equal to 1 upon L minus L integration minus L to L f of x sin n pi by L x dx for n equal to 1, 2, 3, so on. And already you know that if f of minus x is equal to f of x, then it is a even function. This is true in this interval also. In this interval from minus L to L, you can conclude the given function is even function if f of minus x is equal to f of x. Here bn becomes 0, then only you have to calculate a naught and a n, and the formulas for a naught and a n are a naught equal to 2 by L integration 0 to L f of x dx, and a n equal to 2 by L integration from 0 to L f of x cos n pi by L x dx. And if f of minus x is equal to f of minus of f of x, then it is an even function. Our function will be an even function. Then only you have to calculate a bn, because here a naught and a n becomes 0. Then take one example. Obtain the Fourier series of f of x is equal to mod x in this interval minus x to x. Hence, show that 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square equal to pi square by 8. Therefore, first take the given function and check that whether it is a even or a odd. Therefore, f of minus x you take down, then it is a mod of minus x will become a mod of minus x. Therefore, it is f of x. Therefore, it is a even function. Therefore, you have to calculate a naught and a n only. Bn is 0 here. Therefore, a naught equal to 2 by L integration 0 to L f of x dx. Then 2 by L integration 0 to L, fill the value of f of x is x here, because for a positive in the positive range of integration mod x value is x only. Therefore, after simplifying this integration a naught you will get a L. Now calculate a n, that equal to 2 by L integration 0 to L f of x cos n pi by L x dx. Now fill the value of f of x, it is x. Therefore, a n will be a n equal to 2 divided by L 0 to L x cos n pi by L x dx. Now solve this integration with the u into phi formula. Integration of u phi, that is u is x here and phi is cos n pi by L x. Therefore, a n equal to an equal to 2 divided by L, and keep u as it is. Then want integrate this cos n pi by Lx sin n pi by L x divided by n pi by L, and limits ranges from 0 to L. Minus of integration of e. One more integration of e you calculated here. This only you calculate one more time integration, then it will become integration of phi. Therefore minus of my sine integration is minus cos. Therefore sin n pi by L integration is minus cos n pi by L x divided by n pi by L. Already one n pi by L is there. Therefore n pi by L square. And differentiation of u is 1 and limits ranges from 0 to L. Now an equal to 2 pi L, L square divided by n square pi square. Take this to the numerator and this term going to be 0. Therefore remaining only is cos n pi by L x, limits from 0 to L. And an equal to 2L n square pi square. And now fill the values of x. Cos n pi L divided by L get cancelled. Therefore cos n pi minus cos of 0 is 1. Take minus 1 to the outside. Therefore minus 2L divided by n square pi square. 1 minus cos nx, but cos nx value is minus 1 raised to n. Therefore fill these values in our Fourier expansion formula. Therefore f of x is equal to L by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 2L divided by n square pi square in bracket 1 minus 1 raised to n into cos n pi by L x. For deduction, fill here x is equal to 0. Then we know that our function f of x is equal to mod x. Then mod of 0 will become 0. Therefore f of x value is also 0. Therefore fill f of x is 0, L by 2, and whatever constant with respect to the summation free from n, take to the outside of with the summation minus 2L divided by pi square. Summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 upon n square in bracket 1 minus 1 raised to n. Then take this L by 2 to the LHS. Minus L by 2 equal to minus 2 by L pi square. Summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n square in bracket 1 minus 1 raised to n. Therefore minus sign you can get cancelled, and L you can get cancelled 2 also. Therefore what's remaining? Not a 2. This will be a 4. Pi square divided by 4 equal to n equal to 1 to infinity 1 upon n square in bracket 1 minus 1 raised to n. But we can calculate the value of this. Because n is a natural number, it may be odd or even, then 1 minus of value you can calculate whenever n is even and whenever n is odd. If n is even, then minus 1 raised to even power will be a plus. Therefore 1 minus of plus 1 you will get 1 minus of 1, that is 0. This is whenever n is even. And if n is odd, then minus 1 raised to odd power will become minus, but 1 minus of 1 will be 1 plus 1, that is 2. When this is whenever n is odd. Therefore what we got? Pi square divided by 4 equal to summation n equal to 1, 3, 5 so on to the infinity, because all for even terms, this value becomes 0. Therefore, only take for the odd terms 1 upon n square into 2. Therefore, this 2 take to the what? LHS or else divide both sides LHS and RHS by 2. Therefore, pi square divided by 8 equal to 1 upon 1 square plus 1 upon 3 square plus 1 upon 5 square plus so on. This is the deduction for your function f of x is equal to mod x. After this, Fourier expansion over the fourth interval, that is 0 to the 2l, and period is here also it is a 2l because 2l minus of 0 you will get a period. Therefore, period is 2l here, and a Fourier expansion becomes f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus n is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi by lx plus n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi by lx is the Fourier expansion over the interval 0 to 2l, and the Fourier coefficients are a naught, an, bn are given by a naught, first one, a naught equal to 1 upon l 0 to 2l f of x dx. An equal to 1 upon l integration from 0 to 2l f of x cos n pi by lx dx for n equal to 1, 2, 3 so on. Bn equal to 1 upon l integration 0 to 2l f of x sin n pi by lx dx for n equal to 1, 2, 3 so on. Then next point is we have to know whether it is a even and a odd function. Then how to find out? The rules for this is if f of 2l minus of x is equal to f of x, then we can tell that it is a even function. Then no need to calculate a bn, only have to calculate a naught and an. Therefore, a naught is given by whenever our given function is even function, 2 divided by l integration from 0 to l f of x dx, and an equal to 2 by l integration from 0 to l f of x cos n pi by lx dx. And if f of 2l minus of x is equal to minus of f of x, this implies our given function is an odd function, and bn equal to 2 by l 0 to l integration from 0 to l f of x sin n pi by lx dx. Only this bn we have to calculate here. A naught and an are 0. Like this way, only formula changes and method of calculating Fourier expansion of given function is same as in the previous interval.